everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Stack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop people sending you a friend request on your PlayStation 4 account. So if we're on the home screen here, we want to go up to the top to settings right here and select it. Then go to account management. Then under account management, let's go to privacy settings, and you might have to type in your password at some point, so make sure you have that at hand. Then under here, let's go to where it says friends and connections, and scroll on down to where it says friend requests right here. Now I currently have mine set to anyone, but we can change this from anyone to friends of friends, and this will completely stop people just randomly sending you a friend request. So if you're a popular streamer or something like that, definitely have this setting turned on, so you don't get a bunch of pop-up requests when you're playing. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.